In today's video, we're going to synthesize an analog of superacid, chloroantimonic acid. It is the analog of famous superacid, furryouochannel acid, which is well known for its ability to dissolve glass and turn any organic material, such as human flesh, into carbon in an instant. However, chloroantimonic acid is not a superacid. I'm just making it for fun. In terms of chemicals, there are some chemicals needed: antimony trioxide, concentrated hydrochloric acid, calcium hypochlorite, concentrated sulfuric acid, and sodium chloride. First, 15 grams of antimony trioxide is charged into a bubbler. Then, 30 grams of concentrated hydrochloric acid is poured and thoroughly mixed. After this, a chlorine generator is set up. The bottom flask is charged with some calcium hypochlorite tablets, and the addition funnel above is charged with some hydrochloric acid. Calcium hypochlorite can be replaced with TCCA or manganese dioxide. The tube above the chlorine generator guides chlorine into a bubbler. Then the chlorine will bubble through the antimonic trioxide slurry, and excess chlorine will be destroyed by the inverted funnel trap filled with sodium metabisulfate solution. As the chlorine passes through the slurry, it oxidizes antimonic trioxide to antimony pentachloride. Then, it is reacted with hydrochloric acid to form chloroantimonic acid. Once all the trioxide disappears, the chlorine generator is turned off. After that, the solution is concentrated somewhat on a hot plate to remove excess water. The solution is again poured into the bubbler. This time, gaseous hydrogen chloride is bubbled through. The hydrogen chloride generator has two components. The bottom flask contains some sodium chloride, aka table salt, and the addition funnel is filled with concentrated sulfuric acid. The stopcock on the addition funnel is turned on, and sulfuric acid starts to react with sodium chloride, producing sodium sulfate and hydrogen chloride. The gaseous hydrogen chloride is bubbled through chloroantimonic acid to increase the concentration of hydrochloric acid. Once the solution reaches saturation point of hydrochloric acid, the generator is turned off. The saturation point can be tested by putting a wet pH indicator strip at the end of the apparatus. If the paper turns red, then it reached the saturation point. After that, all the liquid is poured into a large test tube and submerged in an ice bath. Crystals of chloroantimonic acid crashes out of the solution into a cake. This cake is stirred and vacuum filtered and washed with an ice-cold hydrochloric acid. The crude crystal is recrystallized from concentrated hydrochloric acid. First, it is dissolved in concentrated hydrochloric acid, then put into an ice bath for 1 hour, and finally vacuum filtered. Crystals of chloroantimonic acid are quickly transferred into a vial. Because this substance is highly hygroscopic, it is transferred into a glass vial immediately. Probably crystal can be dried under sulfuric acid desiccator, but I just don't bother that since I just making it for fun. The final yield is terrible, only 2.1%. I suspect due to the extremely high solubility of chloroantimonic acid, a lot of product remains in the solution. Maybe harvesting another crop of crystal is possible by reconcentrating the solution, but it's just too time consuming. And this is the end of the video. Sorry for the late upload because my PC broke down last week, and here is a good place to end the video.